tomatoes, spaghetti. Oh, who's this? Hello?
Hey Scott, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just about to make some lunch. You want to come over?
Sure, sounds great.
Okay, yeah. Okay, see you in about 10 minutes.
I'm on my way. Bye.
Bye. Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. We are about to learn a very useful expression. 今回は I am about to という便利なフレーズを紹介したいと思います。I am about to はですね、何かをしようと思うときにつけます。例えば、I'm about to drink some coffee. 大事なポイントはですね、be 動詞の am と was の違いをしっかり覚えてほしいです。この動画の中では、文法の解説、ショートコント、会話の練習、クイズ、あとは最後に、ちょっと宿題出しますね。ここからは英語です。皆さん、最後まで楽しく頑張りましょう。Okay, let's get started. Grammar breakdown. Okay, let's look at an example sentence. I am about to wash the dishes. Okay, now, is this sentence in the past, the present, or the future? That's right. It's in the future. We use about to when we are talking about doing something very soon in the future. We are not talking about very far in the future. In that case, we would use will or be going to. About to is used for something in the next couple of minutes. Okay, let's look at the basic grammar of how it is used. Basically, it's the be verb plus about to and the verb. The verb is always kept in the infinitive. So we would say, I am about to, you are about to, he or she is about to, they are about to, we are about to, John is about to, and it is about to do something. Let's take the verb go out. I am about to go out. So we can use this just by changing the subjects. It's easy. So we would say, I am about to go out, you are about to go out, he or she is about to go out, they are about to go out, we are about to go out, John is about to go out, and it's about to go out. Here are a few more examples of using about to in the present tense. Please repeat after me. I am blue and you are red. Let's go. She is about to cry. The train is about to leave. I'm about to hit the sack. They're about to start. I'm about to have lunch. Let's look at the English in action with Hiroshi. What am I doing? Well, I'm about to go and have some lunch. Yes, I've been working hard all morning in my company. Yes, I've got my eye on that new Chinese place just down the street. What am I doing? Well, I'm about to order lunch. Yes. Excuse me, yes, I'll have the spring roll and fried rice set, please. Thank you. What am I doing? Well, I'm just about to pay for my lunch. Yes, it's my wife, you see, she gives me 700 yen every day for lunch. It's not enough, but I'm on a budget, you see. Ah, Yamada-san! Let's have a pop quiz. Question 1. I was just about to call you when I dropped my phone in the toilet. I something something big time. The choices are A. Made a miss, B. Missed, C. Messed up, D. Mistook. And the correct answer is C. Messed up. I was just about to call you when I dropped my phone in the toilet. I messed up big time. この動画について何がわからないことがあったらね、ぜひぜひコメント欄のところに何でも聞いてください。日本語でも英語でも、大丈夫ですよ。答えは英語にはなってしまいますけどね。If you have any questions about this video, please feel free to ask in the comments down below. Okay? Thank you very much. Let's look at using about to in the past tense. So it's the same as before, but we just changed the be verb into the past tense. So I was about to, you were about to, he or she was about to, they were about to, we were about to, John was about to, and it was about to. Let's take the example of call you. I was about to call you. So we can look at the different examples. I was about to call you. You were about to call. He was about to call. She was about to call. They were about to call. We were about to call. John was about to call. And it was about to call. Let's look at a few more examples of using about to in the past tense. Again, please repeat after me. I'm blue and you are red. I was about to order pizza. I was about to get the drinks in. I was about to go home. Let's look at how to use I was just about to. So just about to means exactly right now. Just about to. Okay? Please repeat after me. Again, I am blue and you are red. I was just about to watch a movie. I was just about to do it. I was just about to ask you for a favor. You can use this for your boss or perhaps your partner. Okay, I was just about to do it. Okay, let's look at the English in action with Dylan. Hey guys! Hey, you want to hear my new song? I was just about to. Okay, it's a work in progress, I know. We had a gig a couple of nights ago, you know, and I was just about to go on stage when I got a call from my ex-girlfriend. Oh my God, what a downer. It really put me in a bad mood for the gig. And then I was just about to play my new song and one of my guitar strings broke. Just my luck, eh? Hey, I was just about to go out and grab some lunch. You want to tag along? Okay, let's go. Let's have another pop quiz. Okay, question 2. I thought my boyfriend was about to propose marriage, but he something something with me instead. And the choices are A. Made up, B. Cleaned up, C. Showed up, D. Broke up. And the correct answer is D. Broke up. I thought my boyfriend was about to propose marriage, but he broke up with me instead. It's homework time! Okay, are you ready? So I want you to change this Japanese sentence into English. Now, so let's take a look at the sentence. It says, 早く逃げないと、火山が噴火しようとしてます。Sounds pretty dangerous, doesn't it? Okay, so その答えをコメント欄のところに書いてくださいね。ちゃんとチェックしますよ。Okay, best of luck to you. Well, today we learned about how to use aboutto. Okay, the next video up, which is over here, is about end up. It's another really useful idiom. Okay, so if you're interested in learning more English, I will see you over there.